Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough on the 2025 Yamaha 222SD. Guys, boat just arrived at our location. Beautiful boat, guys. It's got the gray whole side color. Nice black, painted black trailer to match it. Nice fancy rims, looking good going down the road. It's got the white water sports tower loaded out with options, guys. Let's take a look at the transom. Guys, taking a look at the transom of the boat, you'll see that this boat is nicely outlined with the sea deck throughout. Nice transom sea deck walkthrough. You've got your reversible seats back here for riding. Got your remote back here for changing your stereo on the fly while you're hanging out in the water. Let's take a look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard. Let's take a look at the bow. You'll see that you've got nice extended seating, plenty of cup holders. You've got stereo speakers up front in the bow for all your listening pleasures. You'll see you got a nice walkthrough right here, guys. In the floor storage. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see that you got the full-size Connect screen. All your instruments nicely located here. A lot of redundancy with these instruments. You can use these controls or these controls. Of course, everything is all digital and electric on this boat. And this boat does have the direct drive paddle shifters, guys. Awesome boat, guys. You'll see it's got the side-by-side captain's chairs and then, of course, the wraparound bench seating in the back. Guys, thank you for looking. For more information, please stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location or give us a call. Thank you and have a nice day.